Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to create Zoho Books. First, you will need to sign up for a new account or log in if you already have one. Once logged in, navigate to the organization setup to begin configuring your business. Here, you will enter essential company details such as your business name, address, and preferred currency. Don't forget to select your industry and set up tax preferences for accurate financial tracking from day one. Next, it is crucial to set up your chart of accounts, which is the backbone of your financial records. You can customize it to perfectly reflect your business, adding new accounts for assets, liabilities, equity, income, and expenses as needed. Then, create and manage all your inventory items or services. For each item, specify important details like its sales price, purchase price, and applicable tax rates to ensure accurate invoicing and reporting. Now, let's focus on your daily operations. Begin by adding all your customers and vendors, ensuring their contact information is complete. You can then easily record sales transactions by creating professional invoices and tracking incoming payments. Similarly, manage your purchase transactions by entering bills from vendors and scheduling payments. Remember to reconcile your bank accounts regularly. This critical step ensures that your financial records are always accurate and up to date. Finally, leverage Zoho Books for powerful insights and efficiency. Generate various financial reports, such as profit and loss statements or balance sheets, to understand your business performance. Utilize automation features for recurring invoices and expenses, saving you valuable time. Set up bank feeds to automatically import transactions, streamlining your reconciliation process. You can also explore integrations with other Zoho applications for enhanced functionality and a truly connected business ecosystem.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.